Hey Jarvis, look on the camera and tell me, how can I connect these two together?
Sir, connect the servo's power and ground wires to the development board's corresponding VCC and GND pins. The signal wire must be connected to a digital I/O pin, ideally with pulse width modulation (PWM) capability. Do you require any further assistance, sir?
What's up guys, today is the day I am introducing you to the world's most advanced voice-activated AI assistant that works on your computer. And it's too easy to set up this Jarvis model. You don't have to know any code knowledge, you don't have to know any other software things. All you have to do is just download this on the GitHub link that I will give you in the description and then follow the steps that I will give you in this video. Before explaining everything about this program, about this model, let me show you first how this thing works. First, when you run this program on your computer, you will see that screen. And to run this Jarvis model, all you have to do is just go this API key section on the AI Studio and then create an API key in here in this section and then copy your API key, go this UI screen and paste your API key and then run the program. So you are running most advanced AI assistant in your computer just in 1 minute. It's too simple and it's too good to make. So let's test this. Hey Jarvis, how are you doing?
I am functioning normally. How may I assist you today?
In the first comment that we are speaking, its response time a little bit late, but if we speak second time, hey Jarvis, are you okay? Is everything okay?
I am perfectly functional. Is there anything specific you are concerned about?
And as you can see, we are not using some speech-to-text models like Vosk. We are not using some text-to-speech models like 11 Labs. It's completely free. You can run on your computer. So let's test some actions then. Hey Jarvis, can you give me the weather report for New York currently?
The weather in New York is currently cloudy with a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius.
It doesn't matter which language you're speaking, it will create responses and it will make actions. If you say, Jarvis YouTube でリラックスできるの動画を開いて, it will open this video.
I tried everything.
リラックスできる動画を再生しました。
So I spoke Japanese and it's still creating responses and it's still taking actions. So it doesn't matter which language you're speaking, it will work. So we can set some reminders like, hey Jarvis, can you set a reminder for 5 minutes later about I'm gonna eat some food? Remind me that.
Reminder set for 12:44 p.m. on March 1st. I'm gonna eat some food.
So it will tell us that we have to eat some food. So as you can see, it's working like this. So this is just a small actions that I showed you. There's more in this left section you can see here. But let me show you the screen processor, the most loved one. Hey Jarvis, can you tell me what's happening on the screen? I don't get it.
The screen is running a Jarvis application written in Python, sir, which has successfully initialized and is fully operational. How may I assist you today?
As you can see, it's just saying the screen. If you have some problems on this screen, you can just tell the Jarvis what's happening on the screen and it can help you with that problem. And you can change the desktop background, you can just control your files, you can just find some flights, you can set reminders, you can send some messages, you can do everything on this computer with your Jarvis model. You are just using, it reminded me, we are just using this Gemini Live API in this section. So you are just sending requests to Google's Gemini Live API in this program. We are not using speech to text, we are not using text to speech. It's too easy to set up. Actually, I was thinking to add some features like controlling this Jarvis from your own phone, but then I realized that it wouldn't be 100% secure. So I decided to make voice activated Jarvis model on your computer. But just because it's perfect doesn't mean that it's not secure. We are sending our request to Gemini Live API. So we are using Google's Gemini Live API. That's because it's creating too fast responses and we are not working on some complex things. But still, do not tell your passwords, do not tell your really private information to this Jarvis model, because we are sending requests to Google. So, but Google already got your password on your Gmail because it's Google, I mean. So that's why I told you that it's 100% secure, because I don't see anything about your program, I don't see anything, and another person doesn't see anything, so it's completely secure. But it's not completely free, because you are sending requests to Gemini Live API. Gemini Live API is actually free, but Gemini Flashlight is not completely free. And as you can see in this section, this is the rate limits screen. You can just send 20 requests per day, but that's why I used 3 different models like Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Flashlight, and Gemini 3 Flash. So you can send 60 requests per day to this Jarvis model, but if you just open some apps, send some messages, basic task, then it's completely free. But if you're gonna make complex commands, then it's not completely free. But if you set up some billing in this section, then you can increase this request number per day. So let's say again, all you have to do is just install this program on the GitHub link that I will give you in the description, and then go to this setup.py and run this program to install every required libraries for this program, like this. And we installed every libraries in that. So after that, just go main.py and run the program, and then paste your API key in this section and then run this Jarvis model. It's really too easy to set up. It's secure, it's almost free. I'm not taking any money, any cash from you, and it's too easy to set up. You don't have to be a software engineer to set this up. So it's too easy to set this up, and everything is too easy. But if you still got some problems about your codes, about your programs, you can just tell me on the Instagram, or you can just ask me on the comment section. But I think it's too easy to make this up. I mean, just follow the steps that I showed you on this video. But in the next videos, I will still improve this Jarvis model. I'm not just giving you and leaving this thing. I'm still gonna improve these things in the future, and I will still give you these models. So you can just follow me on the Instagram, you can just subscribe me on the YouTube channel, and don't forget to like the video. So everything was like that. See you in the next videos. Take care.